Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make gym equipments at home step-by-step guide.
First things first, you need to gather some basic materials. These materials include a piece of plywood, a wooden dowel, a wooden mallet, and some screws.
You also need to gather a set of dumbbells, weight plates, resistance bands, and a resistance band machine. Now, let's get started with the steps.
Step 1. Measure and cut the plywood to the desired size for your gym equipment. Cut the plywood into a rectangular shape for the bench and a circular shape for the weight plates.
Step 2. Cut the wooden dowel into the same size as the plywood.
This will be the main frame of your gym equipment.
Step 3. Screw the plywood and wooden dowel together to form the frame of your gym equipment.
Make sure that it is stable and strong.
Step 4. Attach the weight plates to the frame using the screws and weight plates.
You can adjust the weight of the plates using the adjustable screws.
Step 5. Attach the resistance bands to the frame using the provided clips.
You can use resistance bands of different weights to create a variety of exercises.
Step 6. Attach the resistance band machine to the frame using the provided screws and nuts. Step 7. Sand the entire gym equipment to give it a smooth finish and to make it less slippery. Step 8. Finally, you're done. You can now start using your homemade gym equipment at home.
In conclusion, making your own gym equipment at home is not only cost-effective but also customizable. You can adjust the weight and resistance of the equipment to suit your needs and create a unique workout experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide.